So my pieces are now finished. I've completed all the stitching on the area around the design, and as you can see I've finished all the collage pieces, and now it's coming to the end point where I'm thinking about how I'm going to display the pieces. As I said in the early days, I did think about using them as wall hangings. My only thing is how I might attach the piece to the dowel. I'm going to fold the ends over and just stitch them so I've got a neater edge, but then I was thinking that I might use tabs to go round the dowel and attach to the piece, probably 3 of them maybe along the width, and then sew them onto it so that they'll hold, and maybe do the same at the bottom so I've got a piece that will hold or weigh the piece down. It's all trial and error. I've never done anything like this before, so we'll give it a try, see what happens, see if it works. But yeah, there's the pieces completed up to now, just the finishing touches now. Okay, we'll see how we get on. Just adding the final touches now to my wall hangings. I've just turned over this top edge just to neaten it. I've just pinned it in place, just turned it over and just running along the top. Right, so come to the end of that one. I'm just fastening that off. Right, so there we are. I'm just going to measure. I've done them the right spacing. I'm going to go from this edge of the design here up to the top and see what it measures. It's about 4.5 centimetres, that one. So I'm hoping that this one's the same. Yeah, 4.5 centimetres. Right, there we are. I will go and press that edge and then I'll be back to make the tabs.